Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Paul Buys. My name is Paul Cuellar, and today I'm going to be showing off the iPad 10th generation. This iPad comes with a lot of new features compared to the previous 3 generations. Those were the size of 10.1. This one has a larger screen now, but it did get rid of the Touch ID. So this screen is 10.9. It has a camera that is on the landscape side of the bezel, so it allows you to take video calls in landscape mode a lot easier. This is considered the standard iPad. I have the 64 gigabyte model. The next step up of iPad would be iPad Air, and the next step up after that would be the iPad Pro. This iPad came out in 2022. And it seems like Apple is due for a new model, but I wanted to just show this off since I got it brand new from Apple, and I'll be unboxing it today, and I'll be showing off the new design and answering any questions you guys have in the comments. Let's go. All right, I got this directly from Apple. It was a courier service that I used to deliver it to me. It was a $9 extra, and they use Uber Eats basically to deliver these packages. All right. So here I have the iPad 10th generation, Wi-Fi only with 64 gigabytes. This iPad also is now with USB-C, which has basically become the new standard port on all iPads and now iPhone 15. The only Apple product still that is using Lightning is the AirPod Max. You're gonna see here, I'm gonna be unboxing it, and this is all brand new here. So I'm gonna tear open the top here. All right, so here it is. So the one thing that I've noticed with pretty much all new Apple products is that it comes with no longer with like a plastic cellophane, but more of this kind of like biodegradable film. That's how it opens here. Feel like this is quite a light device, but this shape now is a lot more rounded. And there is the new iPad 10th generation. Take a look at the back here. So this is the silver model. Don't believe it's considered space gray. This is definitely a silver iPad. The other colors that this iPad comes with is blue, yellow, and pink. So you can see no Touch ID, and it has this connector for its keyboard. And no longer does it have a mute button. This is all done in software. It's got one camera here up at the top, microphone, and then it's got a dual speaker grill here at the bottom and USB-C. Let's go ahead and power it on. All right, so it's saying hello here. And so basically you're gonna have to get a new case for your iPad if you upgrade from the 9th generation. The 9th generation are 10.1 inch iPads. This is a 10.9. That's really just the screen, but the form factor of the device feels pretty much the same, possibly even smaller. But here it is. And yeah, I'm gonna get it set up. I know that when this came out, it supported the newer Apple Pencil with USB-C, so you can charge it directly with the iPad. And I'm not sure if it has a magnetic connector at the top here that holds the pen, but you can kind of see it here. And yeah, let's see what else is in the box. Typical Apple documentation here. Always comes with sticker packs. Let's see if this one does. Of course it does. There they are. It includes a charging cable here, USB-C to USB-C, and then there's a USB-C charging brick. And I believe this one's going to be about 20 watts. It is. Kind of see it there. It's funny, I always feel sad to kind of throw away an iPad box, but I've collected these for so long that pretty much I have no use for them once you use the iPad, unless you're going to be shipping it away to someone else. When you do a trade-in, typically you get a box sent to you that you can send it in safely, so that you can get some type of reimbursement for it. So, but yeah, I'm going to set it up and show you guys a little bit more if you guys have any questions. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm happy to answer any questions you guys have in the comments. Thank you.